Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another example where we will use the grep command in order to fetch the matched record with their corresponding line number. Okay, so in short, you can say that we are going to explore one more topic related to Qshell command. Okay, so before we start this session, let me tell you a few things. Firstly, how we are going to proceed with this session. So, firstly, I'll show you the file that we are going to use for the demo purpose, and also we will walk through the data of it, because through the data itself we are going to perform some operations, right? So we will check the file and data, and post that we will understand the requirement, like why we need this process to fetch the data, matched data with their corresponding line number. And once we are comfortable with the requirement, then we will look for the queries or commands. So I'll show you the Qshell commands, and we will try to run few scenarios on Qshell command prompt. And after having the proper understanding of it, we will move to the clle program, because we also want to know like how we can utilize the same with clle program. Okay, so let's quickly move to the program. First of all, to see the file and its data, we will hit the command work lnk, which is work link. Then simply hit enter. So this will open your directory, work with object link directory. And here, if you do page down, you will find one file which we are going to use for this demo, which is abc.txt, a stream file. Okay, so this is my stream file. Now if I take option 5 here, you will find that we are in this location. So this location is also very important, because when we are using the grep command, we need this location. Okay, and I always, although we can directly put the file name with grep command, but I recommend you to put the exact path, so that if someone is referring your code, maybe cl program or anything, so he can directly identify, okay, so this is the location from which this file is coming. Okay, so this is the browse feature for fetching the row, sorry, for browse feature for fetching the file detail, like where it resides. Post, then you can see the data. Now here you can see demo from file 1 line 2. This is my first text, first line, then demo from file 1 line 4. Okay, so this thing I have added intentionally, because I want to make it very clear in the example that yes, this is the line which is coming from this line number. Okay, although we are going to fetch the line number itself with this text, like our keyword would be demo. So what it will do, it grep command will search for the demo keyword, and wherever the demo word is present, and it is case sensitive again, right? So wherever the demo keyword is present, it will search for that, and it will return back us with a line of that that line which contains that text. Okay, so this is how we are going to proceed. Fine, so let me take option 2 first to show you the line numbers. Now you can count: 1, this is the first line, then second, third, fourth, and so on. So our data is present at second line, that's why I have mentioned line second. Then our data is present at fourth line, demo from file 1 line 4. Okay, so this is the thing. Now we will understand what is the requirement, why we need this. Right now we have only two lines, and we can easily find out, yes, it is present in line number 2, line number 3. But assume a scenario where you're working for a client, and on your client system there are multiple files with multiple lines of data. So in that case, if you are looking for a specific keyword, not only the text, because so far what we are doing, we are searching with a grep command, or it fetches the line, the exact line where this command resides, right? But we are not interested in line in text. Instead, we are looking for the line number where that line, where that keyword is present. Okay, so to achieve that thing, what we will do, we will use the grep command in order to fetch the line number. Okay, so this is the requirement. I think now it is clear, so we are good to start with the Qshell command. So let's go back, and here you can write qsh for the command, then hit enter. And here, this is the Qshell command entry screen. Here I can put the command name. So first of all, I'll tell you the previous version, like how we are using right now. Means in the previous session we saw the process like write grep, then your keyword. My keyword is demo, then space and the path of your file name. Okay, so I missed the path. No problem. I know that thing, so I can simply mention it slash home slash Sharmit slash abc dot txt. So if I hit this command grep, then searching argument, grep is a command, demo is searching argument or the parameter which we are looking for, and then we are providing the file path where in which file we have to search. Then if I hit enter here, you can see it prints that those lines which contains the data. The keyword is demo, so it prints the first line, line 2 from the file first, then demo from line 1 4. But this thing we have added, we have not like this is not a fixed thing, right? It is not dynamic. This is the fixed thing that we have noted in the lines just for the clarity purpose. But now if you want exact number, maybe the data is only this thing is not present, then how we can identify on which line it is present? So for that reason we will slightly modify the grep command. So let's see how. Here what you need to do, okay, let me write it again because it will give more clarity. So simply write grep. Grep is command, then hyphen n. What is hyphen n? It means it will fetch the line number also. Okay, and post that you can put your keyword. In my case the keyword is demo, and then the file path. The path is slash home slash Sharmit slash abc dot txt, and then simply hit enter. So once you hit enter, you can see it prints both the line along with the uh, line number, which is 2 and 4. Okay, so this is how we can fetch the line numbers for a specific line of the matched record. Now again I want to clear one thing, that it is case sensitive. If you are looking for capital DEMO, then it will find nothing. So if there is nothing matched, then in that case it will simply return blank. It is not returning anything, right? Because if there was any matched record, it will return like this in between the command and dollar. If you are getting dollar, it means the command has been executed successfully and it is now looking for the another command. So this is the one thing. Now next thing, like some of you might have one question, like so in some cases we are directly passing the file, not the path. Then how it is working? Because this file is present at my present working directory. So if I hit enter, it will, okay, let's search for the small demo. It's demo. Yeah, so you can see it prints the file data. Why? Because it is automatically referring this file from my present working directory. So if you have not covered that session, let me tell you that if you write pwd and hit enter, it will show my present working directory. So first by default it searches at this location slash home slash Sharmit. Okay, so yeah, I think now it is clear how we can use grep command with hyphen n, and what is the purpose of using it. So it's time to run this command on clle program, because this is also very important, like how we can run the Qshell command with clle. So for that I have already created one program, so let me walk you through this. So this program, cl program to search keyword with line number. So first of all we are supposed to declare one variable. So just simply write dcl, then press F4, and after taking F4 you can put your variable name. So in my case variable name is command, type is character, storage is auto, and length is 256. Then simply hit enter and enter again. So this variable has been declared. Now if you don't know about the basic, you can refer the previous session. Then simply write chg var, because for now we are just focusing on the command part, not on the basic thing, because we have already covered that basic thing in the detail, right? Then simply write chg var, then take F4, and then you can put your variable name. In my case variable name is command, and the command is grep hyphen n demo abc.txt. You can also put your path here, that is not a problem. You can just put your path here and that's fine. Even I recommend to put the path, because this is not the correct way. If you want, I show you, right, like how we can put put the path. So in same manner you can write here as well. Just for the demo purpose I'm running it directly. So command is ready, then we will run it through the strqsh. So just write strqsh, take F4, provide variable name which is command, and then simply hit enter. So we are good to compile this program. So if I compile and call it, you will find it produces the required data, which is 2 and 4. Okay, so this is how we can utilize the grep command with the -n in order to fetch the searching argument location with line number. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.